Assalamu alaikum, dear students. We are here with another story, and it's our story time. Yes, and do you know हम लोगों ने पहले कितनी स्टोरीज पढ़ चुके हैं? हम लोग पहले 3 स्टोरीज पढ़ चुके हैं और फर्स्ट 2 स्टोरीज हमने पढ़ी थी फर्स्ट साउंड ऑफ ए के साथ, यानी ए के साथ, and the third story was of first sound of E, which is A. And today we are here and we are going to read another story of first sound of E, which is A. So let's start and see कि आज कौन सी वाली स्टोरी पढ़ने जा रहे हैं. Okay, so today's story is The Dog in the Well. And here we are going to read sound L. A sound, with A sound. Yes. So let's start story, and as we can see in the picture, there is a dog and there is well. So this story will be about dog and well. And as you can see, dog में कौन सी वाली sound आ रही है? Yes, here we have first sound of O as well in it. Dog. O. Yes. So let's start story. Okay, as we can see in the picture, there is a well. This is well. Yes, और well क्या होता है? वेल होता है वो ऐसी जगह जहाँ से हम पानी निकालते हैं. आजकल तो हमारे घर की टैप में भी पानी आ जाता है ना, लेकिन जब ओल्ड टाइम हुआ करते थे तो पानी कहाँ से लिया जाता था, बल्कि अभी भी बहुत से विलेजेस में पानी वेल से ही निकाला जाता है. सो दिस स्टोरी इज़ अबाउट वेल. यहाँ से पानी निकाला जाता है. येस, एंड लेट्स स्टार्ट रीडिंग. द वेल, कुआं, जिसे उर्दू में कुआं भी बोलते हैं. द वेल. Let's go to the next page. Yes, here we can see what is in the picture. Bell. Yes, and what is its color? Its color is yellow. Yes, and let's read the bell. Yes, let's go to the next page. Oh, look at the next page. Yes, this is well, and in the well there is a dog. Oh, let's see what happened. Let's start reading. The dog fell in the well. The dog fell in the well. Yes, so this is dog and fell. Fell का क्या मीनिंग होता है? गिरना. Yes, the dog fell in the well. Oh my God, look what happened. Dog fell in the well. Okay, let's go to the next page. Okay, let's see on the next page. Yes, there is another girl, and we can see some other person over there. And well, so let's read. Tell Dad, the dog fell in the well. Tell the dog. Let's read once again. Tell the dad the dog fell in the well. Yes, tell the dad the dog fell in the well. Yes, Del ने बताया. What's the meaning of tell? बताना. Tell Dad the dog fell in the well. Yes, Del is telling her dad the dog fell in the well. Let's go to the next page. Oh, let's see. Now here's the Del. Her name is Del ना, हमने पिछले वाले पेज में पढ़ा था. Her name is Del. And what is she holding in her hand? उसके हाथ में क्या है? Bell. Yes, let's read. Dell rang the bell to tell Dad the dog fell. Yes, now what is she doing? Dell rang the bell. She rang the bell. Yes, she rang the bell, as we can see in the picture also. Okay, to tell Dad the dog fell. Yes, why is she ringing the bell? क्यों बेल बजा रही है? Because she has to tell her dad dog fell. The dog fell. Yes. Now let's move to the next page. Now look at this picture. What is Dell doing? Yes, she is shouting. Yes, we can see she is yelling. And what is the meaning of yell? Yell. Chillana. Yes, as we can see in the picture also. Yes. Let's start reading. Dell had to yell. Dell had to yell. The dog is in the well. Yes. Dell had to yell. The dog is in the well. Oh, let's go to the next page. Now look at this page. What is happening here? Yes, Dad is running. Yes, and we can see this Dell and well. Okay, let's read what is happening here. यहाँ क्या हो रहा है? Okay, Dad ran to Dell. Dad ran. We can see Dad ran to Dell at the well. Yes, at the well. Now let's see the last one. Okay, what is it happening in this picture? Yes, it's Dad and dog and well. Okay, Dad got the dog out of the well. Now the dog is out of the well. पानी गिर रहा है ना उसके ऊपर से. Yes, he is out of the well. Dad got the dog out of the well. Yes. So that's our today's story. And have you listened it carefully, students? Remember, I have to ask some questions from you. Are you ready for the questions? So let's start our small quiz. Okay, it's very easy. As you know, it's not as tricky. Okay, so let's start. Complete the sentences with these words. And the words are fell, well, bell, and tell. So let's read. A dog dash in the dash. Yes, what will be answer? A dog fell in the well. Yes. So let's move to the next one. Dell rang the dash to dash Dad. So what will be the answer? Dell rang the bell to tell Dad. Yes. So that's all. We'll meet inshallah in our next lesson. I hope you have enjoyed it. You have to pause the video and you have to try to read this story as well. Allah Hafiz.